Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Yay!
The month is April. What is the month? April.
Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. The weather is going to be very sunny and hot. So we can see the temperature is probably going to be around 90. It's saying it's going to go to 100, but it's going to be hot, guys. For our life skills, we are brushing our teeth. I hope you guys have been doing well with that. If at all possible, please submit the worksheet that I had you work on, even if it was on a piece of paper or a video showing me what goes first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Remember to stay active and play outside or play board games or run around with your brothers and sisters or your pets. For our social skills lesson, we are going to talk about one thing you will do better today. So I've already done these 3 themes, which was organize, exercise, and clean. One more thing that I would do today is probably go clean outside, clean my yard, and make it look a lot better. For today's agenda, we're working on other, which is our IEP goals. Remember to continue to work on everything else if you have those worksheets. But for sure, I need IEP goals completed today. You'll only be working on 3 and 4. If you have any questions, feel free to text me or call me. Alrighty, let's get this Friday started.